There is a mindset of the Indian media here, and which is not it is not of 2 days or 1 week, or it's a historical mindset that if a crime is meted out against a minority, then the whole secular gang comes out hammer and tong. But if a crime is meted out against a Hindu majority woman, then it's a normal case, and it's not to be highlighted so much, because secularism gang does not get a kick from that.
Well, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, और अगर आप मुस्लिमों से बात करेंगे इस सिलसिले में तो कहेंगे कि मीडिया बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम्युनल है। वो तो कहते हैं कि जो मुसलमानों की इमेज बना दी है, उनके ऊपर जो एक टेररिज्म का टैग लगाया है, ये मीडिया ने लगाया है। अगर कुछ लोग टेररिज्म की एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व हैं तो पूरी कम्युनिटी को आप बार बार क्यों ब्लेम करते हैं, जो कि मीडिया करता है। तो इस तरीके के आरोप लगते रहते हैं। मीडिया ऐसा नहीं है कि सेकुलर है कि कम्युनल है, मीडिया अपना काम कर रहा है। इसमें जिन 4 लोगों के खिलाफ FIR हुई थी, उसमें से 3 अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं, चौथा भी कभी भी अरेस्ट हो सकता है। मीडिया को क्या करना चाहिए इसके बाद? मीडिया कर रहा है अपना काम।
No, I think media is doing its job as it should be done. Even in merit issue, they have done it, and there have been arrests. But surprisingly, BJP is a little silent. They pick up issues very fast, and by now their leaders would have reached the girls' house. But yesterday they were planning to do, they did not go. So when in this particular case, I personally feel that conversion is a major issue. That is one issue that is being missed by a lot of people, and this can actually become a trouble point later on.
I don't really watch Indian channels. I don't really know how they cover anything, but because of my own experience in Indian media, I do know that they take certain things and go out of proportion, and then there are certain things they don't focus on. I think that's the case with any case anywhere in the world. As far as this one is, this rape case is concerned, first and foremost, a rape on its own is very unfortunate, and it should simply be investigated as a rape. Secondly, if a woman has been converted to another religion against her will, it becomes an even bigger issue. And of course, it should be talked about.
As per the records, if you see in the last few years, and definitely in India, we breathe casteism, communalism, and religionism, and that breath is percolated in the media also. I'm definitely quite amazed that this particular case of rape with alleged conversion is not being highlighted, and so it puts the mind of the reader as to, is the media really objective?
Hinduism has never been the religion of the state. So with the state and state apparatus, media is also known as the 4th pillar of the state. So the state and its system do not have any fear and any responsibility towards the majority community. But Islam has been the religion of the state since 1526 to mid of 17th century. Therefore, if something wrong goes against Muslims, then there is a fear psychosis in the mind of the state and also in the mind of the media that it is our duty to act on this, on anything which goes against the state religion. So there is a mindset, still there is a mindset that Islam has been a state religion and Hinduism has always been a second grade religion in this country since ages.
मेरा कहना यह है कि जो लोग ट्विटर पे या सोशल मीडिया में, फेसबुक पे, व्हाट्सएप पे जो सर्कुलेट कर रहे हैं कि मीडिया ऐसा कर रहा है, मीडिया नहीं कर रहा है, मीडिया को कम से कम उनके आगे नहीं झुकना चाहिए, क्योंकि बेसिकली वो लोग बहुत ही समझदार लोग नहीं है, वो साइबर लफंगे हैं.
Minorities have been, whether Dalits or whether Muslims, they have been victim of certain, historically they have been victim of certain social traditions. But minorities, wherever they are in a majority today, like in West UP, they are also becoming perpetrators.
Media anyways, mainstream media, 90% of mainstream media is in the hand of corporates. So there is very little you can do in terms of slant and objectivity. It's only the social media that puts the pressure on the mainstream media to actually look at things objectively. But here on this issue, we are being told that we should be careful about it. Why not? Why can't we just have an objective report coming out?
Absolutely unjust journalism, because of which readers have or viewers have no faith left
I mean, there are 1.2 billion Hindus and there are 250 million Muslims. But even then, the Muslim and Hindus, the Muslim-Hindu thing has always been there, and you cannot ignore it.
Stricture can be passed that the religion, caste and the name of the victim should not be publicized, then I think it will bring some kind of relief for such a strife scenario.